Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm gonna teach you today how to read and write 3 words. This lesson is very important, okay? So we are still talking about the Arabic alphabet with Harakat al-Fath. You can take a look at the last video, okay? So pay attention. This is A. A. It has the sound of like A, but like A. A. Okay? It can be like this if it is in the beginning or in the end. Sorry, if it is in the beginning of the word. And it can be like this if it is in the middle or in the end of the word. Okay, so it's A, 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 A. Okay, so let's check and let's see this word. So this is again A, Ma, Ra, Amara, Amara. I will write it again here in English. So it is A, Ma, Ra, A, Ma, Ra. One more time. A, Ma, Ra. Amara, Amara. Okay? Remember, this mark, when I put it on the top of any consonant in the Arabic alphabet, so it adds the sound A to the consonant. So this one, this letter, if I put it here alone, separated, it's like okay, but if I add this on the top, so it became ma. Okay, and pay attention, it is short one like ma. It's not ma, it is just ma, ma. Okay, so A, Ma, because of this sign, it gives the sound of A, this mark, I'm sorry, and Ra. This letter, if I put it here alone, so it has the sound Ra, Ra, Ra. So that's why it is Ra. Amara. It means ordered, okay, to give an order in the past. So it is ordered, okay? Let's go, let's check another verb. Sorry you guys, my English is really rusty. I don't practice English for a long time, but I think I will get more fluency talking to you in these videos. Let's see another one. So add sa, a, la, sa, a, la, sa'ala, sa'ala. It means asked or asked, okay? Like the verb ask, but in the past. So it's asked, okay? So let's see here. Sa, a, and finally we have la. The same thing, and pay attention please, okay? I need your attention here. So this letter, it has the sound of s. If I put it here separated, so it sounds sa, sa. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Sa, because of this mark on the top. And this one So if I put it here again, la. Wow, it's a very nice game. La. Oh my god, oh my god. So again, sa, la. That's why sa, a, la. Okay? Easy? Okay, let's see another one. Sorry guys for being boring, okay? Because I feel I take so long in order to explain you everything. So let's see, the another one here is this one. La. Ja. A. La. Ja. A. La. Ja. Oh my god. Oh my god. A. Okay, so it is la, ja, a. La, ja, a. What does it mean, this word? Okay, let's learn first. It means refugiate. Okay, so, oh, I forgot what I want to say. So it's the verb in the past. Okay, so the same thing. This is la, but pay attention. This is not our topic now because today our letter is a. So this is like the sound of l, but in the beginning, so it takes this look. And then we have ja. Okay, so the sound of it, if I put it just alone, so it is ja, ja, laja'a. Okay, so that's guys our class for today. If you like my class, please, I need to see your comments. Okay, your comments are very important to me. Thank you for watching and see you later.